In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make slides on PowerPoint vertical. Whether you're looking to switch up your presentation style, or you need your slides vertical for a specific project or display, you've come to the right place. PowerPoint is a versatile tool, and I'm here to guide you through this simple process step by step. Let's get started by opening up your Microsoft PowerPoint. It's likely on your desktop, taskbar, or within your Start menu. Once you've found it, give it a click to open up the application. You'll be greeted with the PowerPoint Start screen, which is your gateway to creating or editing presentations. From here, you're going to want to open your existing presentation. Look around the opening screen for the file you intend to work on. It might be listed under Recent if you've worked on it not too long ago. If you don't see it there, no worries. Just click on Open to navigate to the file's location on your computer. Once you've located your file, click to open it, and let's dive into the real action. Now that your file is open, head over to the Design tab at the top of your PowerPoint window. The Design tab is where all the magic happens when it comes to altering the appearance of your slides, including, crucially for us today, changing the slide orientation. Within the Design tab, keep an eye out for the Slide Size option. It's your gateway to altering your slide's physical dimensions to suit your needs. Clicking on Slide Size will reveal a drop-down menu with a few options, but what we're interested in is the Custom Slide Size option. So go ahead and select that. A new dialog box will appear titled Slide Size. Here, among other options, you will find Portrait and Landscape. Since our goal today is to make our slides vertical, you'll want to click on Portrait. This option changes your slide orientation from the default horizontal layout to a vertical one. After selecting Portrait, proceed by clicking OK. PowerPoint is now applying your selection to your presentation. But hang on, you're not done just yet. A new prompt will appear, asking you to choose between Maximize and Ensure Fit. This is an important decision that affects how your content adjusts to the new slide orientation. Choosing Maximize will enlarge your content to fill the slide, which can be useful if you're working with images or want to make the most of the vertical space. On the other hand, selecting Ensure Fit might shrink your content slightly, but ensures everything fits within the newly adjusted slide boundaries without anything getting cut off. Make your choice based on what best suits the content of your presentation, and voila, that's all there is to it. Your PowerPoint slides are now set to vertical orientation. Feel free to click through your slides to see how the content has adjusted and make any necessary tweaks. Remember, changing slide orientation might alter how some of your content is displayed, so take a moment to ensure everything looks just right. Before we wrap up, here are a couple of additional tips. If you're starting a new presentation and know from the get-go that you'll want your slides to be vertical, it's a good idea to make this adjustment before adding any content. This way you won't have to adjust any misplaced elements later on. Keep in mind the final display method of your presentation. Vertical slides can be particularly effective for digital signage, e-posters, or social media content, but make sure it's the right fit for your audience and medium. And there you have it. Making your PowerPoint slides vertical is as simple as that. It's a straightforward process that can add a fresh look to your presentations or tailor them to specific display needs. Play around with it, get comfortable with the steps, and soon enough, flipping between orientations will be second nature to you in PowerPoint. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Happy presenting!